Most breakout traders lose money because they enter too early and get trapped in fake moves. The Breakout Probability Indicator for MT4 helps you identify high-probability breakout zones so you can trade with more confidence and better timing. This indicator analyzes price action and displays breakout probabilities directly on the chart. It helps traders see whether buyers or sellers are more likely to break key support or resistance levels. Here's the buy setup. First, identify a strong resistance zone where price has reacted multiple times. Wait for the Breakout Probability Indicator to show a high bullish breakout percentage. The candles should start forming higher lows near resistance, showing buying pressure. Next, wait for a strong bullish candle to close above the resistance level. Enter the buy trade at the opening of the next candle. Place your stop loss below the breakout zone or the most recent swing low. For take profit, target the next resistance level or use a minimum 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Now the sell setup. Find a strong support level where price has bounced before. Wait for the indicator to display a high bearish breakout probability. Look for lower highs forming near support, signaling seller control. Once a strong bearish candle closes below support, enter the sell trade on the next candle. Place your stop loss above the broken support area or recent swing high. Take profit at the next support zone, or maintain a 1-to-2 risk-reward setup. Quick tip: avoid trading weak breakouts during low-volume market hours because fake breakouts happen more often when momentum is low. This strategy is simple, beginner-friendly, and powerful for catching explosive Forex moves early. Download the free Breakout Probability Indicator now at forexmt4indicators.com and start improving your breakout entries today.